Hey, I'm Devin.
Yeah, look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the moves. Yeah, I just hit up Mikey for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose.
Wonder what time is it? Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, baby. Morning, darling. Morning.
Morning, love.
I'm gonna go up and exercise now.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, look at it outside. Beautiful, baby. Look at that. Oh, it's morning, baby. Did you just hear a stomp like a bang?
Yeah.
You heard that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go outside. I slept so good. I didn't even know when you came into bed, love.
Yeah. It's late.
Let me close like this, but you want the blind open at all?
Yeah, not yet.
Not yet? Okay. Oh, God, it's so beautiful outside, though. I'm gonna go exercise. I'm gonna take you guys with me and put this light on. Oh, morning, guys. Good morning. Let me see. What time is it? 6:40. Wow, 6:48. Alrighty. So I gotta get dressed. I'll talk with you, baby. I'm gonna get dressed. Morning.
Morning.
Hey, going back to the bed. You wanna come and go exercise with your girl?
You got that.
That's why I stay and look young as I do.
Keep it up.
Okay, I'm gonna get dressed and go over quickly. I wanna exercise today. There's some stretching that's taking place. Phones are still charging. There's some stretching, and I wanna go on.
I think it's worth investing in when the feeling is mutual, when both parties are really excited, when there's like these little moments of magic.
Feels good, it fits right. We don't move too quick. Got hers, I get mine. We say, ooh, that's it. Say what I feel is a fact. She said she feel it right back. Got sentimental, lost the momentum. Said what I meant though. Yeah, I got what I give, can't block what it is. And I'm not on a trip or flake. If the plot got thick and we got off script, I won't just dip, I stay. Let the incense float out and defenses go down. Let the pot get big, if I lost my chips, I'll process it and say, it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles twist. When the highs go dip, then I go ride. Hold tight. That's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles twist. When the highs go dip, then I'll go ride. Hold tight. Yeah, that's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright.
I look for a seamless openness and conversation and vulnerability.
Okay. Come, let's go, guys. I don't know, I don't have no... Listen, I don't know, man, how I forgot my little earring or something. Oh, this is crazy. I forgot to pack some, like, serious... Oh, no. Let's go. Go in here. Good morning, gorgeous. Sometimes you gotta say to yourself, good morning, gorgeous. Yep. You gotta say to yourself, good morning. Propping you guys up there. I'm gonna go ahead and put this outside from last night. There we go. go get a little healthy. Let's go work out just a little bit. It's a stretching class. I need that stretch, so I want to go and just, you know, stretch. So I'm going to take you guys with me on that on today. This is what I keep in my hair like. I look stunning as ever still. Take that off. Okay, I need to get my room keys. Where did I put my keys? Let me show you guys what outside looks like. Just a little bit. Wow, look at that morning rising sun. Sun rising. Look at that. What a beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful outside. Beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. So beautiful. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm gonna go quickly and get some exercise, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I think I need this one. I gotta go. I have like 5 more minutes to reach up for the 7 o'clock class, so I wanna go stick that behind me. Let's go, guys. Outside there feels beautiful, honey. Oh man, he going back to sleep, guys. Alright, let me get my keys so I can get back in here. Let me rest you guys here for a brief second. I think I'll take my room keys with me. And I'm going to put on a little bit of So Good, guys, on my lip. Just a little. Yeah. I should take a bottle of water with me. Most of the times when I exercise, and my little travel perfume. Most of the times when I exercise, I just need a little bit of perfume. A bottle of water. So, there you go. A girl smells brand new. Okay. I need my glasses and all that. A lot back here for my baby. Yep. Bottle of water. Let me kiss him goodbye. Bye, darling.
Hey, baby.
God, yeah, I'll see you.
Meet you back here.
Should I put my wig on?
Not a stretch.
Yeah.
Wig might fall off.
The wig wouldn't fall off, baby. My wigs are like secure. Okay. Okay, guys. How's he back in bed? Take that off. Let's go. I'm going up to the 11th floor. Bottle of water, and it's on this morning. 11th floor exit. Nobody's up. See how good it is? Nobody can exercise. So I'll probably get an elevator as well very easily. Yeah, nobody's up. See how easy it was? You have to move early in the morning. Good morning, 11th floor. The fitness.
Fitness have to go all the way straight to the floor.
So go up to 10 and then go straight?
Yes,
the fitness this morning, yeah.
Yes.
This says on the 11th floor.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You're the commanding officer?
No. Alright, you want to my class go also here.
Go this way?
Yes.
All the way? And then catch the 11th? Thank you. Morning. Yeah. Yeah, look, one lady up already this morning by the pool. One lady's out there. You know, we ladies move early. I'm gonna go get my stretch in. You alright, yes? This is what keeps you looking nice and young.
I'll be whatever you need from me, I'll be. Even when it's hard, just know I'll be holding it together, girl, you know that's on me. Yeah, I'm the one who looks.
Morning. It's now 7:06. Hi, good morning. All the way through and one flight up. So that I'll do next morning. Go up to the 10th floor and then come off there. That's the highest the elevator would go. And then come over on this side. Hi there, I'm trying to get to the 11th floor. This one? Thank you so much. Not these? These no. Same. There we go. One key. There you go.
Deck 11.
Deck 11. Deck 11. Spa. Hi, good morning. Do I get my exercise in here? Just straight ahead? 10 minutes. All the way to the back. Thank you so much. Morning. All the way to the back of the gym fitness center. Okay. There we go. Morning. Oh, I'll find my way to the gym. Where is it at? Hi there. Morning. Good morning. Morning. Right over here. I believe we still have to sign in. Hi, good morning. Am I late?
I know, they never came. So I'm just trying to do my thing.
Yes. Did you just take a mask from anywhere? There we go. Thank you so much. Yeah. No one came?
No.
God, Lord. I'm going to go inquire because this is not right. I signed up.
Yeah, everybody was waiting. They all just went to the treadmill.
Oh, so they came as well too?
Yeah, ladies, they were all over here waiting, and then they went to the treadmill.
I mean, to get up first to be given at 7 o'clock is a hell of a lot. You know that?
It is.
Yeah.
Especially after last night.
Right. So I need this stretch. Did you really? I missed out. I went and sleep. I was like, I need to get up at 7 to get a stretch. So I went. The nightclub. Okay, I'll try. Yeah, did it really? It was good?
Honestly, nobody was on the dance floor.
Listen, when I went through, it was, you don't mind me taping, it's me, I'm a YouTuber. Yeah? So hear me out, I was karaoke, and I went and everybody was singing, I'm like, hey, let's go, come on guys, yeah. So that means if I was in the dance floor last night? Okay, so tonight I'm gonna make it. Pleased to meet you, I'm Polly. Yeah, Polly as in Polly. Polly's World, that's me.
Nice.
You wanna say hi?
Hi, Pollys.
Yeah. What's your name? Michelle?
Just G.
G?
Yeah.
Pleased to meet you. So I'm gonna go in the front and sign up. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Yeah, they can't do this. Like, did anybody even go to the front and say anything?
No.
I'm going, yeah. I'll be right back, Gina. I'll see you. Guys, I'm literally at the front desk. No one is at the desk. I'm literally waiting for someone to come on in. Nobody's at the desk, and I would like to let them know that somebody's supposed to be back here for the class. Good morning, darling. Looking for the gym? Yes. Straight through the ladies' locker, and you'll come out into the gym. Just keep walking straight. The brown doors, yeah. You're welcome. See, and nobody's not even here to tell people like how to get in. Everybody wants to know where it's at and how do you get, how do you... Listen, I might as well just go ahead and take the class because I used to work out in the gym a lot, so might as well I go ahead and take the the stretching and exercising class. Nobody is here. I just now told another lady and a husband and now another lady. Come on, they said that you have to make an appointment to get up into here this morning. No one is here to take the class. Like, what is going on? And everyone back there is waiting on the class. There's nobody to call. I don't like this. This is part, okay. I don't like it. Oh, this ceiling is beautiful though. Have these blue things dangling. These blue things are on top there. There's nobody at the desk. Come on. I'm gonna go stretch my body. And maybe just do a little run because I'm gonna go back. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna show. This is the sauna. Ooh, it's nice and warm in here. Yeah.
Go ahead.
What's your name?
Jacob.
Jacob, pleased to meet you so much. I hope you go like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I met Jacob. Shout it out, shoot it up in the comment section for Jacob.
She's the best.
Here you go. He's originally from Atlanta, right? I would like him to move here to Florida.
I'm coming.
You're coming? There you go. If you're interested, guys, I'll probably put a little bit of information about him on the screen so you guys can shoot it up on the comment section. He is into real estate and I believe really well at that.
And I'm single, lady.
Oh my God. They're going to come all in the DM section. I hope you enjoy your trip here as well.
Y'all too.
Yes.
Y'all are amazing.
Thank you, darling. So here we are heading to the island now, guys. So this is what it looks like. That's how it's over there.
Gives you a good idea of how big that boat is.
And the island is on this side.
A boat like this.
So take you guys around a little bit to see what it's like. Hope you guys enjoy that. As per usual, I normally say go down below, like, comment, subscribe, shoot up in the comment section for your girl. I'll see you guys when we get there.
Different kind of beautiful. Run my hand through your hair in the morning. It's unusual. The way your skin glows on the pillow, I can't get enough of you. Every day's a honeymoon. Let me show you. I'll pull you closer. I just wanna stay in love with you. I don't wanna fall for someone new. 'Cause baby, you're my sunshine, my treasure. Just keeps getting better. Baby, you're so irresistible.
We are here, we are at the island, and we are now going to serving already. It should be a nice
every moment feels brand new. Let me hold you when you are over. I just
You're thinking of the island, Pleasure meeting you, my darling. Pleasure meeting you, my dear. Can I put you? Yeah, pleasure. What's your name?
Hey, I'm Devin.
Devin, pleased to meet you, darling. Yes. Really nice guy. So here we're gonna be playing now. The boat. The board. There we go. Bench is a little hard on the behind.
Yeah, definitely not cushion.
Yeah.
Well, we'll probably get off this. Okay.
So we should come off on that side. Should come off on further down. Different spaces, different things to sell, so many things to purchase. Listen, really, really, really interesting. See, they didn't cater for tall guys. Look at that. They did not cater for tall guys.